Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn display the context of a file to a screen in Linux. So how we are going to display any of the file content into the screen. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, let's go to the terminal. So this is my code, right? And suppose I'm opening this terminal, right? Terminal, suppose I'm going to etc php ls series 7.4 ls, right? C Apache 2 ls. So we have php.ini file. How I can open it, this file? Two methods here. So I'm going to open this file. I can use cat with the file name. So here I'm going to add cat php.ini file. So it will open your file, right? So it will open your file and you can check, right? This is the full-fledged file. You can check. This way you can open the full-fledged file, right? Next command that we are going to use less. This also open this file. So I'm going to do ls and I'm going to less php.ini. It will again open the file, right? Full file is there, right? So next command we can use tail. Okay, so you can also use tail php.ini file, right? So it will open the file but not fully one, right? So tail how many? So I'm going to add tail 500 php.file. So this say it is opening that much characters. So see what I have written. I have done tail 500. So this much lines of characters it will display. So you can add this one to open the file, to open the error logs, how many error logs you are going to open. So tail command you can use it over here, right? So that is usable over here. This is how we can open any of the file in the window in the Linux system with cat, less and the tail. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.